As an e-commerce business owner, you know how crucial it is to keep your shipping costs under control. High shipping expenses can quickly eat into your profits, making it difficult to grow your business. But what if I told you there's a shipping app that's saving e-commerce stores thousands of dollars every year? I've seen it firsthand. This app has been a game changer for my business, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. The app I'm talking about is Easyship, a powerful platform that simplifies and optimizes your shipping operations. With Easyship, you can say goodbye to the hassle and expense of traditional shipping methods and hello to a more streamlined, cost-effective approach. Click the link in the description to download and try Easyship for free. So how does it work? Easyship connects you with a network of top carriers offering discounted rates that can save you up to 70% on your shipping costs. The app also automates many of the tedious tasks associated with shipping, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. One of the most impressive features of Easyship is its rate comparison tool. With just a few clicks, you can compare rates across different carriers and services, ensuring you're getting the best deal possible for each shipment. No more manually checking rates or relying on guesswork. Easyship does the heavy lifting for you, but the benefits don't stop there. Easyship also allows you to print shipping labels in bulk, track your shipments in real time, and even automate your shipping rules. It's a seamless experience that saves you time and money. I've seen the impact firsthand. By using Easyship, I've been able to save thousands of dollars on my shipping costs. It's not just about the money, it's about the relief and peace of mind it brings. It's allowed me to invest more in my business and grow at a faster pace. If you're tired of watching your shipping costs spiral out of control, it's time to try Easyship for yourself. With their free trial, you can see firsthand how this powerful app can transform your shipping operations. And the best part, you can get started today absolutely free. It's easy, it's risk-free, and it's the first step towards a more efficient and cost-effective shipping process. Ready to start saving thousands on your shipping costs? Click the link in the description to download and try Easyship for free. Don't let shipping costs hold you back any longer. Join the hundreds of thousands of e-commerce businesses that have already made the switch to Easyship. Take control of your shipping today and start growing your business the way you always dreamed. Easyship empowers you to take charge of your shipping operations and focus on what truly matters: your business growth. Subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest shipping strategies and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.